Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can uninstall a TikTok apps. So there are two ways that you can do to uninstall the TikTok apps. The first one is you can go to the Play Store on your phone or App Store, and then here you can go to your profile and then go to the Manage Apps and Device. Click on manage, and in here under the list of apps you can just find this TikTok apps. Just click on this and click on the uninstall button and click on uninstall again. So that's the first way, and the second way is you can just do it on your home screen. So find the TikTok app and just long press on it, and there will be an options to go to the app info, or you can also click on this trash icon to directly uninstall TikTok from your home screen. You can click on uninstall if you're sure to delete the apps. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.